What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long 2-3 months since I last posted on this channel. Why that is, I actually got 3 copyright strikes and had my channel taken down. It was a very tough and stressful time for me. I was able to recover my YouTube channel thanks to YouTube themselves. I was able to counter those strikes and actually get my YouTube channel back. I did have one strike that was my fault. I was doing a watch party style video for Copa America. I understand the legality of that, and I couldn't clear myself of that strike, but I did want to update you guys on what was going on. You get striked for no reason at all. I think a lot of my videos fall under fair use, which is why I was actually able to get my channel back. I was watching some John Boy Media stream where he talks about him getting strikes and how a lot of the time it's just an automated system, and it just asks, hey, we found this content, what would you like to do with it? And they just click remove content. But I was able to get my content back. I argued that it falls under fair use. I'm using my voice, I'm pausing, zooming in, zooming out, providing context, history, news, breakdowns on what's going on, and I'm not exactly trying to steal someone's content or take viewers from them, right? I mentioned that thoroughly in an email, and YouTube seemed to agree. They gave me back my channel, so I'm back. I have a few YouTube videos that I'm gonna post, which should not be problematic, but we'll see. But I'm glad to be back. Thank you so much for those of you that have stuck around, that like my content and enjoy it. I'm gonna be posting again very regularly. I'm gonna be maintaining a Friday, Saturday, Sunday uploading schedule 3 times a week. I think that's pretty good. It'll allow me to stay on top of things, do what I gotta do. Hopefully you guys enjoy that content. I did start a new TikTok channel. I will leave the description in the comments down below on my TikTok. I'll be uploading a lot of content on there. Some content that might not necessarily pass on YouTube, I'll be posting on there. So be sure to check it out and follow me on my TikTok. At least that's what I think the name is. I don't know. I'll check again. Anyway, thank you guys so much. This is just a quick update on where I was. I'm not gone. I love making these videos, these breakdowns for you guys. So please stick around, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.